Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add the horizontal flash effects to your videos in CapCut. So here, I've already opened my CapCut project, and to add the horizontal flash effect, you can just easily head to the effect, video effect, and then find the lightning effect category. Okay, this one, light effect, and in here you'll easily find horizontal flash. So just click on that to add it to your clip, and click on adjust if you want to make some further adjustment to the effect. Okay, I'm going to just adjust it like this. You can always adjust it how you like. I'm going to lower the blur and increase the intensity, and here I'm going to lower the speed. Okay, when you're done, just click on a check icon, and that's it. The horizontal flash effect will be added to your clips. Okay, so if you enjoy this video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Thank you.